everybody, my name is Ashlyn Carter. Welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow's the first day of spring, so I thought it would be fun to put together a spring/Easter inspired tablescape. For this spring and Easter inspired tablescape, I just wanted it to be full of lots of really pretty bright colors. I wanted it to have a spring and playful feel, and I'm really happy with how the flower runner turned out. It's just full of so much whimsy, and the poppies really are the standout in this centerpiece and really truly make the whole table. I also wanted to bring in a few muted colors, so I have a lot of neutrals against the wood table. I found these little cardboard eggs at Target. They're the Hearth in Hand by Magnolia for Target collection, and I thought it'd be fun to put them at each place setting and possibly fill them for your guests with your favorite type of candy. I also really wanted to use these misty blue candles that I found last week at World Market with my table, a way to balance out a lot of the bright colors. They were a really pretty color and a good neutral. I actually found this old fabric that I had on hand, and what I did was I decided to cut cloth napkins because I wanted to use that same blue to tie in the blue from the candles. So I just cut a few different squares, and I have an easy napkin without having to go out and spend extra money. And I just kind of folded it in like a messy little triangle and placed it on top of the plate. I always like to add a little bit of dimension to my place settings. Since it is springtime, I thought it would be fun to incorporate some fresh produce. So I picked up a little bundle of radishes because I liked the color and I thought it would give it a nice pop. And I also added a sprig of fresh mint. For the place setting, I just am using my everyday white china from Pottery Barn. This is the Great White collection that I've had for years. Building your tablescape, you want to try to make sure that all the plates and silverware are evenly proportioned from each other. So I always try to keep about an inch, a half an inch from the bottom of the plate to the edge of the table so that the plate isn't hanging over, it's not too far pushed up. And I try to copy and mimic the same for the silverware. And all of these beautiful flowers I used for our spring centerpiece are from a company called Petal Driven, and I will be sharing more with you on that tomorrow when I give you a tutorial on how to build this floral table runner. I'm really excited to be partnering with them. I can't say enough good things about the company and the owner, and working with them has seriously been fabulous. So more on that tomorrow. Be sure to watch that video and be sure to find out how you can get flowers delivered to your front door as easily as I did. That is it for our tablescape inspiration. I hope this inspires you as we head into spring. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on all of our inspiring happenings. Have a great day.